Hello everyone, my name is Brian and today I'm going to show you how to order an appraisal with BluePoint Mortgage. So before we get started, there's a couple of items you'll need first. First is a set of appraisal credentials. You might already have these credentials on hand, but if not, you can find some temporary credentials by going to our website, bluepointmtg.com. Under Broker Resources, go to How To. There's a written guide for ordering an appraisal here, and this guide will have a set of temporary credentials that you can find here. It's going to be under step 3. The credentials are going to be highlighted here in yellow. Okay. And then if you're paying for the appraisal order by credit card, you'll also need a credit card authorization form. So to find that, again, it's going to be on our website, bluepointmtg.com. Under Broker Resources, go to Forms and Guides. There's a credit card authorization form here that you can complete if you're paying for the order by credit card. If you're doing a purchase loan, you will also need a copy of the purchase agreement. And lastly, if you're doing an FHA loan, the loan will need a case assignment on it. Our team will notify you once your loan has a case assignment received. Once all that is ready, then you'll be able to start ordering the appraisal. So before I move forward, let me just recap again how to upload documents into the loan, which is something that you'll need for the appraisal. So let's say I want to upload a credit card authorization form. So again, as a reminder, go ahead and use this drop box here in the middle. Select doc type for every document. Then I'm just going to search for CC for credit cards, select the appropriate doc type, and then hit upload documents. Okay, so the credit card authorization form is in. So to start the order, go to Order Services, go to Add Order, and this is where you will put in your appraisal credentials. So I'm just using the temporary credentials from our ordering guide. Hit Connect to Vendor. Most of the loan fields will have already pre-populated here. Every field labeled with a red star is required. So let me just put in some placeholder information. Select up to 5 reports to include with your order. Here, I'm just going to select a regular 1004. If you need to put in a due date for the appraisal, go ahead and put that in here. If you want to put a rush on the order, you can indicate that here as well. Under billing information, there are 2 options. There is credit card, in which case you'll just need to put in the credit card information. You can also choose to send a payment link if you wish to do that. Select AMC will collect. Down here under documents, so this is where you would attach any additional documents to your order. So I'm going to attach that authorization form that I uploaded earlier and a purchase agreement that I uploaded before. In the notes area here, this is where you would list anything else you wish to add to the order. So if you have a preferred AMC, for example, you can note that here. If you need to see who our approved AMCs are, go to our website, bluepointmtg.com. Under Broker Resources, we have an approved AMC list here. So back to our order, I'm just going to say, please send to Trends, for example. And if you decide to use a payment link for this appraisal order, go ahead and list the email that should receive this order. So you can say something like, please send payment link to whichever email. Hit place order at the bottom, and then the order will come to us for review and assignment. You can track the progress of all of your appraisal orders here. And if you need to add another appraisal order to your loan, maybe your loan requires a second appraisal, hit add order again, and then follow the same processes. Okay, and that's it as far as ordering appraisal goes. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to help.